Go have a look and see what the palm butcher did. And this actually happened about a year ago. And so in this spot where this camera ops was, there was 3 beautiful Trachycarpus palms. But the people that live in that unit didn't like them blocking their view, or they were worried about them blocking their view. So they hired me to dig them out, and I took them all the way around on a dolly, and I planted them up here. And then my buddy planted this camera ops here. That was more than a decade ago. So I'm going to show you what the palm butcher did, which is absolutely disgusting. So there's 2 of them. There used to be 3. What you're going to see is a stump. She cut it down. She cut down a Trachycarpus palm. Isn't that absolutely disgusting? She also cut down the blue gum's gone, neglect is gone, there was a crinodendron there, there's big cordylines over there. So that's what the palm butcher did. She's long gone here now. They hired an awesome gardener. But can you believe she cut down that palm? It would have been big like these ones. First of all, she cut all the fronds off it, which was totally disturbing. And then I came here, this was a while ago, I noticed this, and I'm just doing the video now. We're mid-February. And just to show you what she's done. So thank God the palm butcher has left the building. All right, guys, never cut down a palm tree, especially a healthy one. She could have dug that thing out. They could have hired me to move that thing for them. Absolutely sickening. Disgusting person telling these people that she's a master gardener, landscape architect. She knew nothing about gardening from what I've seen. She destroyed the fucking place. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.